here to show you Damn. Damn is a 32 count, 2-wall, beginner line dance, choreographed by Hana Ries. It goes to the music Damn, the song, by Brett Kissel. This is a fun dance. It is a beginner dance, and it's got some energy to it. The one thing I would like to do is, if you are not familiar with basic steps, is please check out the Crew Country Line Dancing Library. We have some instructionals on how to do various steps. So in this tutorial, in order to keep it concise and moving along, I'm not going to actually necessarily teach you the individual steps like a kickball change or a coaster step. So if you want to know what those moves are, again, go to our Crew Country Line Dancing. It's actually on our YouTube page, and it's on our Facebook page. You can go and check out how to do individual steps. But this is going to be on deck at the Colby concert on Friday, July 16th at the Crew Country Line Dancing tailgating party. So grab your friends, your I'm Here beer, hit your living rooms, and let's learn this dance. So I'm going to turn around to give you the best vantage point for this dance. Starting with weight on your left, you're going to stomp right on 1, you're going to stomp left on 2. Weight is going to transfer over to that left. You're going to do a triple step, also called a shuffle step, moving forward on your right for 3 and 4. You're then going to stomp left for 5, right for 6, and you're going to shuffle forward again, because the weight is on this one, left, right, left for 7 and 8. Okay, so let's try that. Stomp 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, one clarification I would like to make is, on the step sheet, they just refer to it as a stomp, stomp, and then moving forward on the shuffle, also known as a triple. We use them interchangeably. But when you see us styling on the floor, especially because the music is so high energy, I think it's a natural tendency to, especially once you get going after that first stomp out of the gate, you're going to see us stomping and moving forward while we're shuffling. Okay, stomp, stomp, shuffle. So we're almost traveling in that stomp step as well. But I just wanted to make that clarification because the step sheet says stomp, stomp without traveling. We tend to move forward, as I do see a lot of people doing this. I think it's just natural tendency. Okay, so we just did our stomp, stomp, triple step or shuffle, stomp, stomp, triple step. You're then going to rock forward. This is your second 8 count, top of the second 8 count. You're going to rock forward onto your right. You're going to recover onto your left. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, and you're going to do another triple step, right, left, right. Weight is on that right. You're going to rock forward onto your left, recover onto your right, and you're going to do a left coaster step, back, back, forward. Okay, so let's take and put those 2 counts together. Weights on the left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, triple step, stomp, stomp, triple step, rock, recover, shuffle, half, rock, recover, coaster step. Okay, let's try that with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp 1, 2, triple 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8. Moving on, we are going to be doing a step together series. We're going to be doing a run. You're going to do it right, then you're going to do it to the left. That's the end of the dance. So what you're going to do is you're going to step, after you just did your coaster step, weight is on the left, step out to the right. You're going to slide the left to meet the right, and then you're going to do a triple step to the side. So it's going to be right, left, right. Weight's going to be on that right. You're going to rock back onto the left, recover onto the right, and finish this off with a kick ball change. Okay? So it's going to be step together, triple step, rock, recover, kick ball change. Let's try that with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let me turn around so you can see what that looks like. So just remember that I'm reversing this just for the tutorial. That way you guys can get the series down. So it's going to be step together, triple step to the right, rock back, recover to the right, kick, ball, change. Again, be sure to refer to our online tutorials in Facebook or YouTube for how to do a kickball change or coaster step if you don't know how to do those. All right, so going back. So we just did moving to the right, step together, triple step, rock, recover, kickball, change. Weight is on that right. You can do the same thing but go to the left. So you're gonna step the left out, slide the right to meet it. You're gonna triple step to the left, left, right, left. Weight's gonna go to that left. You're gonna rock back onto the right, recover onto the left, and you're gonna finish this off with a kickball change. End of dance, you're done. So let's put all 4 of those 8 counts together and do a run of this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, triple step, stomp, stomp, shuffle step, rock, recover, half turn shuffle, rock, recover, coaster step, step. Together, triple step, rock, recover, kickball change, step. Together, triple step, rock, recover, kickball change. So that is dam. It is 32 counts. Easy beginner. Let's do this last wall. I'm going to do it facing you because that is the run of the first wall. Let's try it from this direction. So moving forward, moving on in this dance, this will be your second wall. And you're going to bounce back and forth between these 2 walls. So when you finish this wall up, you're going to be facing this. You're going to restart the dance and you're going to be moving that direction once again. So let's try this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, triple step, stomp, stomp, triple step, rock, recover, half turn, rock, recover, coaster step, step together, triple step, rock, recover, kickball change, step together, triple step, rock, recover, kickball change. End of dance, you're ready to do your stomp, stomp, triple step, stomp, stomp, triple step, rock, recover, shuffle with the half, rock, recover, coaster step, step together, triple, rock, recover, kickball change, step together, triple step, rock, recover, kickball change. Again, stomp, stomp, moving forward. So one thing I always like to do is we teach you these steps, you make it your own. Let me show you a little styling on this. So as I said earlier, step sheet has stomp, stomp with your triple step. So what you might see us doing, stomping forward, triple step, stomp, stomp. It depends on what your spacing is. We are going to be outdoors. Some places are pretty big, so you can make a big run of the floor. If you're in a little bit more of a confined space, make sure that you just do smaller steps. Take your steps right in place. Even your triple steps don't have to be big. Triple step, that's all it is. Okay, so let's go back to that styling. So I like to do a little bit of a step. I think it puts a little more sway into it. You do your triple step, stomp, stomp, triple step, and a rock, recover, shuffle with the half, rock, recover, instead of just doing a basic old coaster step, back, back, forward. I like to do my rock, recover, and I like to put a little bit more into it. So then when you step together, put your hips into it. Step together, triple step, rock, recover, kickball change, step together, triple step, rock, recover, kickball change. All right, that is Dam. It's by Hana Ries. I hope you like it. Come dance with True Country Line Dancing. Thanks for watching. See y'all on the floor.